Welcome back to HoHo Farms. First off, we're going to give you an update on Hogi Gardens, do a little tour here. I just want to show everybody how structurally this is all coming together. All the beds are flowing nice now with a fresh layer of wood chip, and this is in the OG garden, the original garden, with the original pond behind there. And it looks like the pond's setting off steam there, but that's actually the fresh wood chip I just got done pushing over there with the mini excavator. And you can see the cattails there. They're pretty much blown out all their seed. Beautiful skyline. That's facing west right there. And also this is more of a midday shot. If we continue on in the video, we kind of did it in reverse. You can see how icy it was in the morning, and then it got nice and warm. Well, I wouldn't say warm, but the sun came out and warmed the soil up anyway, or the wood chip. This is Picea pungens, the blues. This one originated from Stanley and Son Nursery. This is Picea abies pendula, weeping Norway spruce. The main reason I wanted to shoot this time of day was we rarely get this kind of sunshine during this time of year in the Pacific Northwest. And I thought the steam coming up was kind of cool. But these green conifers that normally here in the Northwest don't really pop much because they just kind of blend in with all the Doug fir, western red cedars, and they really pop in this tan colored wood chip. So the color of this wood chip is going to change over time. It'll be interesting to see how the color, the entire color of the garden changes with it. Pretty neat to see all this because this normally is just kind of covered by grasses and weeds. We've kind of let it naturalize over the years. Here's Jen overshooting the other side of the OG. So that was my cut. Now I'm going to show you Jen's version. Not to get too sappy, but just wanted to show you some romantic Easter eggs I keep finding in these videos we're shooting. So you can see me shooting video on the opposite side of the pond, and we happen to just come together at the exact same time on either side of the pond. When all I said was, do you mind grabbing your camera and going out and shooting a little bit of the Hogi garden? And she came and did this back loop that you just saw, and I went and did the other front loop, and I just thought it was kind of cute how we both showed up at the exact opposite side of the pond at the same time. And here I am cleaning up some road base fabric. Here's a beautiful shot Jen took of a small unnamed creek running down the middle of the property. And here's how she had to drive the UTV this morning. She's a little bit icy. Whoa! Try and keep it on the road. Another great shot by Jen this morning, overlooking HoHo Farms Community Beach. The morning fog and the blue skies above. And one last beautiful morning take by Jen. Looking at the rising sun through the fog. Hopefully you can book a day or book a stay with us at hohofarms.com. You can book to camp, primitive camping, or you can book a tour of the gardens and nursery.